This creator lost 16 million subscribers because of one stupid mistake that you could be making too. At first I thought hackers only target big channels like him, and that my channels with videos like this that only get a few million views would be safe. But recently more and more small channels get hacked too. I mean, just check Team YouTube on Twitter trying to save hacked channels almost every minute. But if your channel gets hacked today, there is one thing that can save you, but most creators don't have it. In fact, I didn't have it until today. More about that later, but first take a look at this. His YouTube channel got hacked. He lost 16.4 million subscribers because of this stupid mistake. Now first, I think it's important to understand why you get hacked. It happens to small channels because they can be, and it happens to big channels because they can be used for scams. Like crypto scams like this that you may have seen before. And because the deepfake videos that they use look so real, the hackers make a lot of money. And the more money they make, of course, the more channels they will try to hack. Fortunately, there are things that you can do today to save your channel and to save yourself from depression.
Depression is not real.
Now, one of the things you can do to save your channel is avoiding the following. Whenever you reach out to Team YouTube, they often ask for your channel ID or channel URL. Unfortunately, your channel handle, like this one, everyone uses, is not allowed. They can't do anything with that. They need a link that looks like this, or more precisely, the part of the link, your channel ID. And the YouTube team is likely your only savior if your channel gets hacked. So whatever you do today, maybe you will visit your parents or you go to the gym, may you do this. Go to your YouTube studio where I find my channel ID over here, and then I add them somewhere safe. As you can see, I added my channel IDs in a Google Sheet, but a Google Sheet is likely not as safe. Because if your Google account gets hacked, which often happens, not just your channel, but your whole Google account gets hacked, then you won't be able to access your Google Drive. So I save it somewhere else too, like Apple Notes. And then make sure you never get hacked. Which may leave the question, how did that 16.4 million subscriber channel get hacked? And what did they share that they will now avoid, that you should avoid too? Now comment the word avoid below and I will send you 2 videos that explain everything in detail. Practical tips on how to avoid getting hacked, like they. And 2 other steps that I took today to protect my 25+ channels. Again, comment the word avoid and I will send it to you. All for free. And when you are in the comments, I will also put a link down below to download my free thumbnail pack with templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. I've designed over 1,000 thumbnails myself manually, and this thumbnail pack is something I wish someone sent me before I wasted so much time on creating everything manually. But if there was one YouTube setting that I also wish someone warned me about, it is this one. I lost a lot of views and money by not knowing it sooner. Talk about it in this video. Watch it here or not. Talk soon.